We are here, we are here, we are here at the pond. Oh crap, it's wet. I forgot it rained. Holy crap. Let's hope nobody. Ooh, it ain't good. Ain't good. It's wet. It's wet. No! I tore up my own land. Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles, everybody. We are at the pond, as you can see. And what are we doing today, you might ask? We are taking the 6x6 as deep as physically possible. So I think I've told y'all before, but we actually have a spa hose. So it only comes to somewhere around here. So we don't want to go deeper than there. But this isn't going to work for obvious reasons. With 6 tiles, even when you put 0 PSI, of course it's still going to float. So what did we bring today? John Deere tractor weight. Oh crap, I thought it about to fall on my hand. Last year we strapped 2 back here and it kept it from floating and it did a really good job. So this year we're hoping to do it again. So the water is way up. I mean, way up. I mean, we have got like 5-6 inches in the last couple of days. That might not help. But if y'all remember last year, the land was like all the way over here. And that's like 5-6 inches, 7 inches, probably half a foot. And of course it's gonna start raining. Dang it. Hey, screw it, we're gonna go. I don't care if it rains. The GoPro is waterproof. Anyways, guys, so we are gonna take this thing as deep as we can, but we need level. So what do we have? Magic marker, baby. That's level 1. Yes, it looks like a smiley face. Level 1 is, you know, average, not the best, not the worst. We can do better. I know we can do. Of course, then we'll go uphill to level 2. Level 2, we're doing pretty good. Over the handlebars. Level 3. Level 3 is like, holy crap, we're getting deep. And we'll go ahead and put a level 4 and a level 5. Level 5 is about as high as we want to go. So we are trying to see just how deep we can get it, guys. I mean, holy crap, where did this rain come from? It has rained all week. I am sick and tired. Guys, I mean, like literally, it has not stopped raining. I've been trying to do this video for like 6, 7, 8 days. And every afternoon I have off, it's because it's raining. And it won't stop raining. But I don't care. We're going to take this thing out and we're going to sink it. Well, hopefully not sink it. We brung the stuff to unsink it. So hopefully we don't have to, because it does float, but with tractor weights, it does not float good at all. So let me go ahead. We'll take the air off. Not take the air off. Get the air out. Go ahead and let it warm up. And then we'll go ahead and see just how deep we can take this thing. Okay, we got the air out the tiles. We got the weights set up. Hopefully they stay, because if you watched last time, we actually lost one, which that one isn't my favorite, but it does have a strap going through it, so it ain't gonna come off completely. It might fall off, but that strap's gonna hold it. Last time we ended up losing one in the deep end, and it took me, I think, like an hour to find it, and then another 30 minutes to get it out, because they are so heavy. They're about 100 pounds a piece, and 100 pounds plus the water, plus being sunk in the mud. It took everything I had to get it out of there. We don't want that to happen again. So I think it's enough, enough lollygagging, enough messing around. Let's step on a GoPro and let's check this out. Before I do, I'll go ahead and show y'all. We don't need a number. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. We probably can go a little higher than that, but I'm kind of scared. I know the spot hose is somewhere up in this area. Last thing we want to do is sink this bad boy. We do have the stuff to unsink it. Anyways, let me slap on the GoPro. Okay, I think we got everything set up finally. I'll put my phone over there. Hopefully it don't fall down in the water. That'd be bad. Oh, this is scary. Here's hoping I got everything sealed right, because I did just reseal everything. Okay, so we're gonna go for the deep spot for us. Pray to God everything stays, because last thing we want to do is sink it. But we have the stuff to unsink it if we do. Oh, cut the gas off. Oh, that's cold. Level 2? We're at level 2, people. Oh my gosh, level 3. Level 3, we're at level 3. Oh crap. No, no. Oh God. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the weights were a bad idea, because I can't lift this thing up. Oh no. Okay, memo to self. Tractor weight's bad idea. I can't flip this thing. I cannot flip this thing over. Motherfucker. She is completely bottomed out. And the tractor weights are more weight than I can handle. You know the worst thing about this? I did so much zigzags with those zip ties. It will take everything I have just to undo the weights. My poor snorkel is probably half broken now. I thought the heel was farther over. I really did. I thought we were in the hole, not on the heel. As soon as I noticed we were on the heel, I said, oh no, ain't no way we're making out of this. Whatever. I'm gonna hook a chain to it and yank it and hope to not destroy the snorkel more than I got to. Sorry, baby. We are trying our best to get this thing out. This is a pain in the butt, guys. Again, no friends is not good. I need some friends. I could definitely just hook to the front, but I'm trying to hook around the back heel. Holy crap, it's over my head. And try to flip her over. But the weight's in the way, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that or not. $5 says I didn't go far enough. Oh yeah. Well, it's tight now. Even though it's not what I wanted. I wanna loop around and put the chain back itself. Yeah, of course, it's just, come on, come on, come on! Yes! It flipped! If there's one thing I can guarantee is this air box is full of water. Oh yeah, full of water. Lord Jesus. Ah, look at the mud on this, guys. Holy crap. Let me go get my tools so we can take this spark plug out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got it running again. So what happened was, I'm assuming the weights had moved over. Both of them had fell off. I think they fell off beforehand. I think when it shifted, they fell off, and that's what made it impossible. Because as soon as it started getting tippy, the whole thing just started going. I said, what's going on? Oh, there's no weight. It shouldn't flip. But it did because the weight shifted. So we went to a very simple design, a crisscross, which I should have did last time. Last time I did zigzags, I wanted one weight here and one weight there. Screw it, just the weight, two weights right there in the middle. So here's the fun part. Let's see if we can make this work again. Yes, there was probably a lot of water in the oil. Do I care? Not at all. Let's just send it and see what happens, people. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? We already sunk it. And as long as we don't flip it again, we should be good. So let's slap on the GoPro and try again. And hopefully we have better luck this time. Okay, my truck is sitting here. We got smoke everywhere. Things been running for probably about 10 minutes as I got the weights there. Went ahead and re-siliconed everything. Yes, the silicone isn't dry, which is a bad idea. But anyways, here's hoping everything works this time. I think as long as the weights don't fall over, we should be good. Last time we went right there. I think we go a little farther. And that's how deep we go. Holy crap, that's where we flip. Screwing around. Yeah, get me some footage. Try not to flip it again. I flipped it once. A little water left in it. What y'all up to? Oh. We all go over there if you want. I would say come over here and not leave, but I've always stored them up. I think whenever we go too deep, we lose all gas. Oh crap. Hello. How's our front end floating? That's not good. Oh crap. This is deeper than me. Ah! Come on, come on. And woo! That's how deep we go. How's our front end floating? That's not good. Oh crap. This is deeper than this. Now that was deep, people. I don't know why the front end's coming up. There is zero air in this thing, zero. But yet they're still trying to float. And we got some spectators, it's kind of cool. I like spectators. Okay, let's do this one more time. That's probably all we're gonna do because flipping it a second time is not on my bucket list. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh, that's why it's not sinking so far. The front end's floating. It's my own little boat. I couldn't afford a boat, so I had to buy a foil. Ah! Nope. No. Oh, and again. 2 times in a row. It's my own little boat. I couldn't afford a boat, so I had to buy a foil. Ah! No. Oh, and again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the first time we got super lucky. The second time we did not get lucky. We totally destroyed the 6x6. We broke the stack off. But for some reason, the weights are still up there. So we did get lucky on that. We done broke our snorkel off. Clean off, people. Oh, that's not, oh, not my snorkel. Oh, well, I guess let's unsink it right fast so we can pull this old go out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it did not go so well. We broke the snorkel. We sunk it not once, but twice. I definitely think we'll have to put some more weights on the front. Last year, it didn't have that problem. The front end did not float. Even with 0 PSI, the front end was floating. We're gonna need a lot more tractor weights. But, I mean, it was fun. I had fun. She's running again. She definitely needs an oil change. I bet that's some milky looking oil. Anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit the like button, subscribe. And honestly, guys, if you want to see us, we can put some buckets as tiles and float it, see if we can float it across. You leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see that. And I will see y'all next time.